It was these waters off this pristine beach that traditional owners were fighting to protect.
We're going to have a big celebration tonight. Yeah, so hopefully we'll have a big ceremony.
The Munupi say they weren't properly consulted about what Santos had planned for their sea country. The federal courts ruled the approval invalid because authorities failed to assess if they had been.
NOPSEMA's decision to accept the drilling EP must therefore be set aside.
The project's described by Santos as the biggest oil and gas investment in Australia in a decade and would see gas piped past the Tiwi Islands to Darwin, mostly for export. The company began drilling while the court case was underway and now has no approval to do so.
There are many mining companies with approvals that have been lodged with the federal regulator who will no doubt be reading this decision closely and reckoning with what it means for their approvals.
Environmental lawyers say the case sets a standard, requiring consultation with traditional owners to be meaningful. The company denies theirs wasn't. Barossa is an important gas project for the nation, with investors and gas customers in Asia who have depended on Australia for their energy security for decades. Santos says it will appeal the decision and wants the full federal court involved in that review. More than that, they've issued a warning to Australian governments saying this type of uncertainty is a public policy issue that needs to be urgently addressed. Environmental groups say the industry is on notice. There's more to come. Jacqueline Breen, ABC News.